What you are about to witness is a story of impossible resurrection. A forgotten relic, abandoned to the harshness of winter, is about to begin a transformative journey. This isn't just a repair. It's a battle against decay, a rebirth from rust. And the process will unveil something truly astonishing. Beneath the snow and dirt, a hidden potential waits. The first step is to strip away the years of neglect. A team gathers, assessing the daunting task ahead. Every component is carefully examined. Decades of grime are methodically purged away. Even the smallest parts hold secrets to its past. The rust has taken a heavy toll, a relentless corrosion. The frame, the very skeleton, reveals its weakness. Piece by piece, the old is dismantled. A meticulous deconstruction to save its soul. Now, a baptism by fire begins. Sparks fly as the corrupted metal is cut away. A violent but necessary surgery, erasing the scars of time with sheer force. This is where the true transformation is forged. Every cut is precise, carving out the decay. A new foundation must be built from the ground up. With the weakness exposed, the delicate work starts. Meticulously cleaning the wounds left by rust. Preparing the frame for its new life. More of the compromised structure is removed, making way for strength and integrity. Then, the first spark of creation. New steel is welded into place, forging a new skeleton. Heat and flame are used to shape the metal's future. Every new piece is integrated with precision. The process of refinement begins, smoothing the rough edges. An obsession with perfection drives every action. The surface is polished, hinting at the gleam to come. A new skin begins to form over the restored frame. The last of the old metal is cut away. The new components are carefully installed. Each bolt tightened with purpose. The final welds secure the machine's new strength. A final, brilliant flash of light signals the end of reconstruction. The raw structure is now complete. Attention turns to the remaining original parts. The body panels are stripped bare, revealing more hidden decay. A protective layer is applied, a shield against future rust. The deepest corrosion must be surgically removed. Every inch is inspected and prepared. The disassembly continues, a necessary step before rebirth. The old truck is moved, its journey far from over. The body is separated from the soul. Each piece is secure, a promise of its return. The welding continues, reinforcing every joint. Deep within the frame, strength is being forged anew. Now, the body panels face their own trial by fire. Sanding away the past, preparing the canvas. The air fills with the dust of forgotten years. Stubborn remnants of the old are drilled out. Cracks in the metal are ground down, ready to be healed. A relentless pursuit of a perfectly smooth surface. The first protective coat is applied. The sanding is a meditative, essential rhythm. Every tool is prepared with care. The path to perfection requires sharp lines. A special solution dissolves the most stubborn rust. The chemical reaction reveals the raw metal beneath. Even the smallest imperfections are scrubbed away. Damaged sections are precisely cut out. The front end is stripped, leaving only the essential framework. And again, the fire of creation fuses new metal to old. The new panel is shaped by hand, a sculptor's touch. The long, patient process of sanding begins once more. Every curve of the body is smoothed to perfection. Now, the first layer of primer, a new identity begins to emerge. A uniform coat, the foundation for the final color. The artist's hand moves with a steady, practiced grace. Each pass of the sprayer brings the vision closer to reality. The body, once rusted and broken, is now pristine. The final layers of primer are applied with intense focus. The transformation is nearly complete. A flawless canvas awaits its final, defining color. The moment has come. A deep, glossy black is applied. From the ashes of rust, a stunning new form emerges. The vehicle is reborn in darkness and light. Every surface now reflects its new reality. But the bodywork is only half the story. The imperfections are filled, sculpting a perfect surface. Each layer is painstakingly smoothed by hand. Power tools refine the surface to a flawless finish. The process is repeated, an unwavering commitment to quality. More filler is applied, ensuring a perfect foundation. The body now awaits its final coat. The team reunites the restored body with its chassis. The final grinding ensures a perfect fit. No detail is too small. The last imperfections are erased. A new color emerges, a vibrant, hopeful yellow. The transformation is dramatic and profound. This is no longer the relic left in the snow. It's a testament to vision and dedication. The details are given the final touch-up. The journey from decay to brilliance is complete. With the exterior perfected, attention turns inward. The interior parts are given the same dark, sleek finish. A consistent vision carries through to every component. Each part is coated, protected, and renewed. The team now prepares the cabin for its own transformation. The windows are masked, protecting the glass. A painstaking process to ensure clean lines. Years of grime are wiped away from the windshield. Revealing a clear view of the world once more. The old door panels are carefully removed. Each piece is cleaned and restored with care. The dashboard is brought back to life. It receives its own fresh coat of paint. Every surface inside is renewed. The rear glass is meticulously cleaned. Deep-seated dirt is lifted from the upholstery. The seats are polished, restoring their comfort and look. The final polish is applied to the new paintwork. The restored body is lowered, ready to be fully assembled. A final look at the shining, completed exterior. The final assembly begins, bringing all the pieces together. The team works in harmony to complete the puzzle. The delicate interior work requires a gentle touch. The electrical systems are carefully reconnected. Old, corroded connections are repaired. Every screw is put back in its place. The floor, once filthy, is now ready for new carpeting. The new interior takes shape. The dashboard is carefully reinstalled. The final interior pieces are painted and prepped. Custom elements are crafted for a perfect fit. The last pieces of the puzzle are welded into place. Final fabrication completes the structural work. The team works as one to finish the assembly. Reborn from neglect, it drives out into the snow, ready for a new dawn. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at Dear Sturgerage for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.